Alright, so for this one, we're going to be taking a look at Premiere, and like before, just the basics, bare bones. So first we'll open the program. Down there we'll see the recent files, but we're going to start a new project. And then we'll rename it, and they all have their specific names, and we'll see that in the archiving video, but we're going to make sure real quick that when we save the file, it'll go to the right place. So we're making one for Guardian Owl in this test, and you'll go into the files, Guardian Owl. It'll be in unfinished in the Premiere, and then that's the correct file, so we'll select that. And we can see there the name changed. You're good to go. Don't need to mess with the other stuff, at least for this project. Alright. And then so this is what it'll look like when you open it, or it might open on the assembly workspace, and you can see from this drop down that you can change it to whatever, and you can make presets, so it's pretty cool that way. But I'm going to show you how to drop in some footage. So you can either go this way by just opening your Finder and going into your file and dropping it in, or you can go to File, click Import, and pretty much do the same thing. And you'll find it always in the unfinished file and footage. Click on the date, and then your audio and your footage will be there. And so it'll import that way, then you'll drag it to your timeline. Sequence is made from that, and that's nice because the sequence settings is what it needs to be. Then rename the sequence for later use, stay organized, and click save, and you're good to go.